Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here, and I'm really excited to share with you one of my latest projects. I took an Athearn Genesis model GEVO and I've added a whole bunch of different lights to it, and with the Tsunami2 we can do some really cool lighting effects. So let's take a deeper look right now. Now with this model we had a few extra lights that were unused from the factory. This model had a headlight and 2 ditch lights as well as a reverse light, so that's 4 lighting effects. With these modern GEVOs, the ditch lights did not alternate and flash. So what I did is I tied those 2 outputs together so that the one output controlled both ditch lights, and then I had a few extra functions for some more lights. So let's illuminate this. So the first thing we have, of course, is our headlight, and we're going to illuminate our ditch lights. Now other lights I've added to this model are illuminated number boards, illuminated truck lights, and I've also illuminated the step lights as well as walkway courtesy lights around the locomotive. Now what inspired me to do this was watching a lot of modern trains and seeing these things at night and seeing just all the small little lights that are lit up all over the place. So with that, we've got the step lights on the corners, we've got the courtesy lights on the front and the rear. We actually even have a courtesy light here above the brake wheel as well as one over here above the step. Now one of the advantages of the Tsunami2 is that we can take these lights and adjust them with the hyperlight features to be a constant dim. And then we have 2 registers. There's constant dim 1 and constant dim 2. And with that, I can take CVs 61 and 62 respectively and adjust the brilliances of those individual hyperlight effects so that way things like truck lights and courtesy step lights don't appear as bright as a headlight. So looking at this locomotive head on, you can see that we have the headlight, the 2 ditch lights, and the courtesy light there on the ground. But we don't want that light to be bright enough to look like 3 ditch lights. And that's where the Tsunami2 shines, is you can adjust that brilliance to make it look good for you. Now for more information on how to do this, you can go to our user's guide at SoundTraxx.com under the Manuals tab, or give us a call and we'll be happy to share any tips or hints on how we made this happen.